He be so lost. You just gotta respond right now, huh?
Is that what you wanted to hear?
Yeah.
All right, you got it.
No. I can't take this.
Watch.
Wow. It's too much. I seen probably annoying people in the store, but you just made my dreams come true because I always wanted a daddy.
Oh, is that right?
See you later. Mommy got them hands.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We are at Ahmad's favorite store. We're still with our friends. They are just at their house. They're getting ready. Can you guess what his favorite store is?
Ooh, Walmart, I love you so.
We are going to Walmart today because we are going to make something happen. Finally. What is it, Ahmad?
Huh? You gonna make what happen? What we making happen? I don't know.
He be so lost.
I'm
What's
looking at my
happening
phone.
today that we're making happen? Finally.
Oh, we're going to the beach, man. We're going to the beach and we about to get a tent so we can go to the beach, huh? Is that what you wanted to hear?
Yeah.
All right, you got it.
Well, we supposed to be
Damn.
on the same page. I thought we was a good team.
I'm in my phone right now, man.
You're not being a good team.
I'm sorry, I was trying to do something.
You're not being a good team player. You just gotta respond right now, huh?
Yeah, because that's what you do. You respond as you go so you don't forget about doing it. Let's go. Now it's going to be real hot.
You ready to get out, Nassim? Yeah, okay. We were gonna leave early this morning, but we were like, oh my gosh, the weather's gonna be nice today. Let's go to the beach before we head back home. So that's what we're doing. But first we have to get a little tent so we can have a little bit of shade when we go to the beach. Nobody wants to be super hot, okay? Nassim loves Walmart too.
Come on.
You know, I actually love Walmart too. Okay, so we're in Walmart, but Nassim is acting crazy. He put these in the cart. No! But I'm just gonna put these right over here. And now I'll just put them in the cart because I can't take this.
Watch.
Wow!
Sorry.
You're alright. Jeez, oh, Pete. He's trying to run wild. He's trying to make friends. He's trying to grab stuff. It's too much. That look fun.
Can I get in with him? You push us both?
No. Oh, but remember I had that picture of you pushing me in Walmart? My hair was wild. This is not the tent, Ahmad.
Oh, check it out.
You're looking at the wrong stuff. Yeah, I
Light
know.
up bags.
Yeah, but we're supposed to go here.
Wow.
Here. I see him. This little boy. Oh. One, two, three, go. He's probably annoying people in the store, but he's occupied, so yeah. Oh, that's a cool one.
I don't know where.
It's there. What's up there?
So this is what we were looking at. This tent right here. It's only 25 bucks. But it's a 3-person dome tent. I don't know if you could. Well, I guess you could.
One thing that you were talking about.
I don't know. We got to try to find it. But in the meantime, I'm going to take one of these to have just in case we can't find it. They have a really cool like umbrella, like shade or whatnot. I got to find that, man. I need somebody to help me. Help! Somebody. All right, we're going to go this way.
So apparently we were in the wrong section for the like umbrella thing that we're looking for. So now Ahmad is walking with the guy. Oh, I just lost him. I gotta go find him. Did you find it?
You got it.
Let me see it.
Sorry. I'm the only one in the room.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
You want this?
Yeah, that's what we need.
All right.
Yay, daddy.
So you don't want to get the tent?
No, let's not get this in.
Okay.
Cause that's better cause you can like still be in the sand.
Yeah. And then we got the chairs if we want to actually like sit down.
Yeah. You know how you be at the beach and you want some shade but you can't find it? And then you gotta rent them umbrellas but they be overpriced? Mm-hmm. Yep. You just made my dreams come true because I always wanted a beach umbrella, daddy.
Oh, was that right? What else did you always want, mommy?
What you laughing at?
What I said? What was so funny? What part of that? I don't even know.
Okay, so we got the tent. Probably about to pick up some food and then we're gonna head back to our friends so we can head to the beach.
Just left the store. We're back at Brandon and Ashley's house right now. I just got prepared for the beach. Jessica's prepared for the beach. And Mayana just woke up. Nasim is not prepared for the beach as it. Well, actually, he stay prepared for the beach. We're gonna change him when we get to the beach because it's probably a little bit easier to do. You don't like when people bother you while you eating, do you?
You gonna take for your
Actually, he bothers people. Yeah, he bothers people while he's eating himself.
You come into this project, I mean, it's like.
Yeah, he thinks he's grown, man. Just be ready to go.
Her mouth is so wide.
There you go. Look at that. Hey.
Captain.
Am I Baby.
Baby. Look, Mayana. And she's laughing too. That's cute. Get away from you. I don't know what type of crazy stuff you on. I said, can you give her a hug?
See you later.
Give her a hug. Give her a hug. And a kiss.
Proud of her.
Give her a kiss.
Let's go through that doorway.
Get down off the table. Okay, that's enough.
I'm tired.
I'm kind of tired too, man.
I thought you said you just weren't tired.
I'm excited, but I'm still a little tired.
Anyways, we might stay for the night. Just because the drive back home is an hour and a half and it's already like gonna be like 6 o'clock.
Hopefully this beach is nice, man, because
beaches don't be nice here in Michigan.
Well, the man-made beaches at least, like the Kensington beach that we went to, wasn't all that great. It was kind of dirty.
Yeah,
the water was muddy, should I say.
Yeah.
The beach was pretty clean itself.
But like at this point, it's just about going to a beach.
True.
Honestly. And I can't believe Nasim is still awake. He's just hanging out with his fingers in his mouth. Okay, so literally in like 2.5 seconds, Nasim fell asleep. Look at him. And that car seat does not hold his head. It's so bad. But usually, like last night, I put a blanket right there and it kind of cushions his head. So that actually worked. Probably do it now, but we're like less than a minute there. Okay, so we're at the beach. We got our little umbrellas. It's so nice. We're like off this under, and it's actually a nice size. Eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Baby here. The Uncrustables. Have y'all ever had Uncrustables? Ahmad says he's never had one. And this camera has something on it right there. That's annoying. I think it's because the sand is in the lens. And there's the beach. We haven't been in the water yet, but we will get there. Daddy just taking over your project. Dang, Daddy. We should have got a set for you.
Yeah, hell yeah. Okay. Wow, look at you, boy. You got in the water? Come on. Come on. Let's go get in the water. How's it feel?
He wanted to run in and he fell in.
Come on.
It's really cold now.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's not that bad.
No, it's warm.
Whoa. Yeah, the water's not super clean, but
It's actually warm.
it's very warm, but it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be dirtier than this, but
No,
it's not super bad.
It's not bad.
It's not like the other water. That other water was super murky. I mean, you're not gonna get too many like clear water, like sugar sand beaches like we did in foreign countries or whatnot on a cruise, but woo!
Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm good, y'all. So as y'all know, been trying to get to the beach for a long time now. Like I said, about 2-3 years, something like that. We finally got a chance to get here. And I'm about to come up out the shirt, man, show these guns of mine, cause they need to be exposed.
Okay.
You looking good. Bam! Tatash.
I think we need to get his life jacket because he's trying to be wild up in here.
Okay, I'll go get it.
We are having such a good time. Nasim is loving it. We actually went to go get Nasim's what you call that thing? Life jacket. Because he wanted to be a free guy in the water and I just wasn't having that without no life jacket. So he has his life jacket now. And he's shivering. He's kind of cold. The water is really warm, but when he stands out, it's like a little breeze. So it's kind of cold. Are you doing that on purpose or are you really cold? I don't know what he's doing.
Let's go further.
I don't know. Can he touch the ground? Is he touching it? Oh, okay.
You tall, bro.
But he can still tip, so he all nervous. Ooh. Oh. Uh-oh. Woo! Mommy got them hands.
Yeah, the pan. Watch this, Papa. You ready? Look. I might tell you to catch it. I want to smack the water. Smack it. Ready? Look. Watch this. Look. Okay. That's how I feel.
Pull him closer.
I know how you feel. Bro.
Just in case y'all didn't know, Ahmad is referring to the fact that he can't swim.
I'll tell you in a minute. I'm not going in the water like that.
But we're gonna learn this summer.
You'll learn today. Not today. You ready?
Ready, set, go, Daddy. Oh. Ready?
Coming to you.
1, 2, go! So Nasim is having so much fun digging and playing in the sand with Daddy.
Yeah.
What y'all collecting, huh?
You know, we just trying to filter out all the rocks and get some pure sand. You know, that pure.
No kid.
If it ain't going through, it ain't pure. Sit on my lap. Oh, you all wet. I like our little setup.
Okay, I want, before we leave, a picture of you with him, a picture of me with him, and a picture of all of us. Because we always don't get pictures. And that's a wrap. We're about to leave, yeah. We're here for about an hour and a half. Good enough time. Packing everything up. Gonna head out. Did you have fun, poo-poos?
Yeah.
He's trying to transfer them. I'm just gonna say yes for you, okay? Because if you say no, that is so ungrateful. What a great day and a great time at the beach we had. Yeah, I am worn out. Just took a shower. My son just had his shower. Ahmad is taking a shower. I'm so tired, and this TV is so loud. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. Say bye-bye, poo-poo. Say bye-bye. Leave a comment below. Remember, dare to be different, because what makes you different makes you beautiful. We love y'all, and we'll see you in the next vlog.